Yeah. So I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name's remain the same. I'm Kenneth Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. So I welcome you all to my new channel. Please do justice to it and subscribe for me because I'm about to share any idea that you don't need to invest anything. All you need is what to invest your knowledge and get money from it. So to no time to wait before you start, please make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and share for me. Share for me. Yeah. So the app is called Remitano. I've done some videos about this app before, but today I want to show you how you can make money by learning and at the same time you earn cryptocurrency. How you can this one, if you're a good learner, that's all you learn and you earn money from it. So people be saying, are you sure, yeah, I'm sure, bro. So you just all you need is what you are a good student. So Wabonwa, this is not the platform for you. These are for intellectual people. Yeah. So when you open my the link in my description, when you click on it to register, you see interface like this. Let me go it for you so that you see it. Something like this on your laptop. If you're using phone to use something like this. Yeah. So are we seeing this thing over there? That's 9.123.123.123. You click on it. So we have several ways of what to make money over here. But today, let's focus on learn and earn. So I'll click on learn and earn. Yeah. So when I click on learn and earn, that means we are about to what? Learn and earn cryptocurrency. So after learning, you can earn 35 like USDT. Yeah, that's $35 per learning. So let me show you. Yeah. So this the page. Rendima. Rendima. Yeah. So this page is for people who like learning, who like reading. Yeah. But before you do it, first of all, you have to what, connect your wallet. You see, let's connect the wallet before. So the wallet is called Demon Wallet. It will take you to a new website to install the Carex Demon Wallet. Once the installation is complete, please refresh the page. Yeah. So let's download the Demon Wallet. Since I'm using a Chromebook, so Chromebook you can't download it unless it's phone. But so I'm downloading it for this thing. So I want to add it to my Chroma this thing, yeah, because I can't download it. Yeah, as add it to your Chrome. Okay, then let me refresh the page. I hope you're following the steps. Well, yeah. So let me create a wallet. Create wallet. Create a secret recovery phrase. Use a social or email accounts. Yeah, that one you can do it, but I'm not creating it for you to see. My wallet, I'm not creating it for you to see. No. Yeah. So you can follow the steps and you create the wallet. Yeah. So after creating the wallet, you go to what? Learn now. Learn now. They will tell you to what to connect the wallet first. But I don't want to create the wallet for you to see my email, my this thing. Yeah, I don't want to do it. So when you connect the wallet, you come in. This how it is. The course content here. So here for you will learn this thing. Introduction to okay before you. So when you connect it, you see it. Yeah, you see it. So the introduction to what tokenization in real life, scenarios, asset tokenization, Tron, crypto, and the other one, rare estate tokenization process. That's the easiest rare estate tokenization process, conclusion, the quiz. So you read all these things, and it's like five chapters, yeah, five chapters. So you read all these things, and after that you come to the quiz. So they will ask you question, and when you end question, after all the quiz, you earn free 35 points, and 1 point is $1. So the question is 35. So if you're able to answer 10 questions, you earn $10. And this one, you can do quiz once per day. Once per day. Yeah, you can do quiz once per day. I have the app on my phone that I've connected everything, but this one I'm doing it for tutorial sake. That's why it is. But before you can start your learning and earn cryptocurrency, first of all, you have to connect your wallet. That's They have their own wallet that you can connect it, so that after you earn it in that wallet, then you transfer it from your that wallet to, let's say, your Binance or Xness or any wallet you are using. Yeah, yeah. So after reading this or these four topics, they will ask you 35 questions. So when you get one correct, you get 1 point. Two correct, 2 points. 10 correct, 10 points. You see, yeah, and you what you get $35 when you answer all the 35 questions. That's why I said it. This one is not for people like us. It's for people who like reading. And when you're reading, and one thing about this, when you're reading, you can jot it down. Yeah, let me show you the secret. When you're reading, jot the vital points down, because that's what they'll be asking you. Yeah, and every day to have books that you read and answer questions. You see, so you can earn $35 within just, like, let's say, 15 minutes. Within 15 minutes, $35 within 15 minutes. Just learn and answer questions and earn free 35 USDT on this platform. Yeah. So before you can start, all you have to do is what? Connect your wallet. The reason why I don't want to connect my wallet, like, if I connect everything, like, for you to see, it's no good, because, like, yo, it's not good. So that's why I've shown you the way for you to connect the wallet. You just click on, let's say, learn now. They will ask you to connect wallet. You click on the wallet and you connect it. Yeah, you connect the wallet. Yeah. So when you come to the wallet, this is how the wallet looks like. So you choose, like, let's say, use a social or email address. You choose one of it, and you create, you create your wallet over there. Yeah, you create your wallet over there, and you start what any money in it. So this one is instantly. When after answer the question and they will reward you, you get the money in the wallet, and anytime you can withdraw the money from it. So you can wait. Let's say if you want to get $200 before you withdraw, and their minimum is what? Yeah, it's $3. The minimum for you to withdraw is $3. So imagine what bonkrana, you can answer more than 3 questions out of 35 questions. Yeah. So this is how the platform work, and it's very easy, and it's very good for people who like learning. Yes, for people who like learning. Charlie, any money online is not easy. Oh. So it's like you just have to have something. Yeah, you need to have to exchange something for something. So this one, you're exchanging knowledge for money. So you answering question is what you proving that you have the knowledge, and they will give you money for it. So that's how it is. Yeah. So I think I'm done, and I will leave the link in my description, so that if you want to join, you'll join straight from the link. And thank you for watching me, and I'm out. Peace out.